Hello world! Be strong, be kind, be free. Do things that make you proud of yourself. Surround yourself with people who bring out your best qualities. And distance yourself from the people who do the opposite. Be true. True to yourself and true to your morals. Stand up for yourself. Don't let people take advantage of your kindness and soft heart. Don't put yourself down. Believe in yourself and believe in your journey. Be good to yourself. Be unapologetically you. Embrace your imperfections. Accept the fact when you grow, sometimes you lose people and that's okay. Celebrate your every success and learn from failure. And most importantly, never ever let anything stand in the way of the person you are becoming. I hope you choose growth over comfort, to choose possibilities over the past. I hope you wake up each day feeling hopeful and encouraged, knowing that you are so capable of every single thing you want to do, big or small. I hope you remember that progression isn't always easy, and sometimes the things that scares you will actually get you a lot closer to where you want to be. You make the most of each day and know that you are worthy of the life you have been gifted and deserve all the triumphs you have worked so hard and all the beautiful things coming your way. By Charlotte Freeman. How cute Anna and her cat, so lovingly sweet. On Anna's story, she talked about Allegro as it was an e-commerce website wherein there is a whoop's finals in purchasing equipment for hospital as a medical program of a non-profit organization. Anna talked about Elixir by Dom Wodki. It's a restaurant about first food and vodka pairing restaurant and bar as they are pairing modern cuisine with over 700 vodkas from around the world.
Drodzy, przed nami 33. finał Wielkiej Orkiestry Świątecznej Pomocy. Dołączam, bo jeżeli mnie znacie, to doskonale wiecie, że kocham dzielić się dobrem. Jeśli tak jak ja uwielbiacie pomagać, bardzo Was proszę, zróbmy to razem. Tutaj zostawiam Wam link do aukcji Allegro, gdzie możecie wylicytować kolację ze mną w restauracji Elixir na Placu Teatralnym w Warszawie. Nieprzypadkowo wybrałam tę restaurację, bo nazwa kojarzy mi się z magią. Jako jedna z niewielu na mapie Warszawy wyróżniona jest od wielu lat przez Michelin. Jeśli tak jak ja uważacie, że jedzenie to jest jedna z największych przyjemności w życiu i jesteście głodni wrażeń, to nie mogliście trafić lepiej. Macie czas do 29 stycznia i bardzo Was proszę, nie mogąc się Was doczekać, zatrzymajmy się na chwilę, w tu i teraz, poznajmy się. Porozmawiajmy o życiu. Do zobaczenia.
Anna met her friend as her friend captioned the story with "Beautiful soul, thank you dear Ama." On the post of Anna, it captioned with "Decide, so do it. Decide. Is this the life you want to live? Is this the person you want to love? Is this the best version you can be for yourself? Can you be stronger or less stubborn? Kinder, more compassionate? Can you overcome your overthinking and your demons? Can you appreciate what you have? Can you be your truly self? Don't do it for someone else. Do it for yourself. Decide. Breath in, breath out, and decide. Okay, Anna, you can do it. On this exercise of Anna, it is nudging on a machine. Look at it.
Czy tobie trzeba nasmarować bioderko?
On this time exercise of Anna, it's a plank combo. 30 bokiem, 30 head, 30 sideways in a 3 series. Can you also do it, guys, like what Anna doing in here?
Mówię ci, już masz pół minutki, zmianka. Zepnij łopatki. O, pięknie. niżej trochę. 10. I zmianka. Pięknie. Baletnica.
It's a comfortable night place to go, Simone. Here they are, Simone with his colleague, having a warm dinner. It's so wonderful to see, Simone, that you are at home with your team. This is life, Simone. In every day, we have to gain our energy to live life more and more. Just always step forward. You can look back on the things that make meaningful in your life. This time, Simone is heading to Puglia. Let's join him for this trip of him so he has a company to be with. When in Puglia, he stayed at Maseria Corsano, a luxury resort based in Salento. Wow! A good-looking Italian man. Good. Simone is doing business this time. What can you say on his looks this time, guys?
Ma gli amici fighi ce li ho tutti io. Tutti io. Amore. Dammi tanto.
Oh, what a breathtaking view you have experienced in here, Simone. And when the night come, of course, Simone and the company would not forget the night out. Yes, Mama Ruba is back with his loving kids and it's sporty time on this lovely night. Post story of Michele with his caption, Como darle torto? How to blame her, which is in reality, you can't blame someone who has a dementia. We are lucky if our grandmother or grandfather or even our parents have still sharp mind, because having a dementia is very hard. And no one like to have a dementia. Look here in this video.
Nonna,
Merda!
cosa ne pensi della nuova legge di Salvini?
Da merda! Da merda! Parla di Salvini.
Diglielo.
Diglielo a te!
What's in your head now, Michele, after your stretching muscle time? Michele, always never be confused. Just go with your wonderful angel side. I always do believe as to what the elders are saying, that in our life we always have two angels in our side. It's the good and the bad one. That is why in our life journey, there are bad temptation leading to our goal that we want to go. It's up to us on how we fight with our bad demon that will lead us to a wrong way. Am I right with it, Michele? It's billiard time for Michele. Let's watch on how good he play.
Yep.
Can you guess, guys, if Michele can hit the red ball? Let's all look at this.
Il bro che si scalda.
Michele posts a story on how he was blessed to be a part of the movie The Housemaid. In here, a book comes from the author of the best-selling The Housemaid, with a dedication of, Dear Michele, I feel so lucky you are playing Enzo, from Frida McFadden. On the IG post of Frida McFadden, the author, she captioned it with, such a mind-blowing experience of getting to visit the set of The Housemaid. I'm so grateful to Lionsgate for helping me to set this up, and to producers Todd, Carly, and Laura for hosting me, and of course, making all this magic happen. It was an unforgettable experience to meet Sydney Sweeney, Amanda Seyfried, Brandon Sklenar, Paul Feig, and not to mention Michele Morone, who came to the set even though he didn't have any scene that day. I was lucky enough to watch a couple of scenes, and the performances by these amazing actors is next level. Nice to see you reunited with Hollywood power couple Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively, Michele. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 26 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. When your head and your heart align, that is when the magic happens. When you find the sweet spot where everything makes sense and inspires you at the same time, that is when you know it's going in the right direction. And more importantly, coming from the right place. When this happens, just go for it and do not hold back. Once you find this alignment, no idea is too far-fetched. The what if turns into why not, and it's because you have full trust in your head, full trust in your heart, and full trust in the universe. The late nights don't feel so late because you are proud of what you are creating. The hours fly by because you are so immersed in your passion. You are happy. You are content because finally it's all makes sense and you are ready to take that next step without the self-doubt tempting you to retreat back into your comfort zone like it so often does. When your passion takes over, there is nothing that can stop it, so just go with it. Let it take you where you need to go. As you navigate your way through life, it becomes clear that nothing is out of the realm of possibilities. While you can't control what life throws at you, you can control how you rebuild and rise above from the moment that turns your world upside down. There is good and bad in life, and you can't let the bad hold power over the good. Sometimes you need to push through the tough times to truly appreciate the good ones. By Charlotte Freeman.